Hello everybody, it is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film days 2 and 3 in one video. In my last video I showed you how I did the cover. I showed you actually how I made this whole book. We did the inside cover in day 1, which was first layer. And in this video I'm going to do pages 2 and 3, which are paper scraps and folded page. And I'm going to complete it on these 2 pages right here. I have my handy dandy scrap bag. You can see some of it right here. And that's what I'm going to use because I decided to challenge myself and use up my scraps for this entire channel. And whatever is in here is what I'm going to use in the video. Not that I won't cheat and take stuff out of my stash, but I decided to mostly use these scraps. So I'm going to work on paper scraps first over here and then folded page. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I will figure it out. And for ease of use, I'll probably just put in some music in the background. Oh, I do want to show you in this little thing before I begin. I have my little scrappy birds that I once made in a video, and I'll leave the link above. These are so easy to make, and I'm going to use my scrappy birds on these 2 pages as well. Okay, I'm going to do the day 2 prompt, paper scraps right here. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to make it very easy for myself. This is a really good hint. I'm going to use Mod Podge, spread it all over here, and stick down my paper scraps. I'm not going to stress. I'm not going to worry. I'm just going to play. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It'd be so helpful if you give this video a like, and if you so choose, subscribe would be wonderful. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you enjoy what I create, and I hope I can give you some good ideas as well. Thanks for watching.
Every day I feel so lucky you're mine. I love it when you listen and when you cry. If it's not you, then who do I give myself to? I don't pretend I'm blind to the way you make me feel alright. I'm alright. Stars are shining bright when you're in the room. I could write 1,000 songs just about you when we walk down the street, or you say what you need. Your presence is smooth like silk. I love watching you achieve your dreams. Oh, just to be sure, you should know I'm here for you. I'm gonna put this in order. I'm gonna put through an order to make you love me as I am. I'm gonna put this in order. I'm gonna put through an order to make you love me as I am. I can't be strong enough for both of us. That would tear me all apart. I can't be strong enough for both of us. You can't keep playing the wrong cards. If this is how you think you can love me, you better forget it, baby. If this is how you think I can spend my life, the music. I'm gonna laugh when I'm losing. This is how you, this is how you think you can love me. Forget it.
Okay, I think I am done. This is page 2, which is paper scraps. I just obviously collaged a bunch of paper scraps down, and I added one of the little birdies I like. And the sentiment says, kind words cost nothing. And then on day 3, it is folded paper. I kind of didn't really know what to do, so I folded this piece of paper and I taped it on the back here. This is a housekeeping envelope. It has a little tab and notes. Kind of sloppy, but you get the picture. And then I made a little belly band right here from tickets I made. This is also in a previous video where I show you how to make these tickets. And I put into note cards. One says noted, and then the other one says you are precious to God. So there's 2 little note cards that you can stick right in here. And then this is another place for notes, and then this folds in. Page folded. And that is it. That is day 2 and 3. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm looking forward to doing day 4 and 5, which I'll probably do together. I kind of like this concept of doing a page spread. So page 4 and 5 will go right here. I'm digging that. And I do have more strips of this left if I need to add to it. But plan to do all 30 days. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video enjoyable, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.